Hey guys, what's up? It's Abby. Welcome back to my channel. For today's look, I'm going to be showing you how I created this really pretty kind of soft glam look where I have like a really neutral eye and this bold red lip. I really wanted to try out the new Fenty Beauty Stunna lip paint because it's been out for a while and I have finally gotten it, and so I really wanted to do it in a video, so I'm going to be using that today. So if you want to see how I created this look, then you can just keep on watching. Okay, so I've already done my eyebrows and face makeup just because I've been doing the same thing with my face makeup like for a while, so if you want to see how I do my face makeup, you can watch my past couple videos. So I'm just going to be starting off with the eyes. I'm going to be going with my MAC Paint Pot in Soft Ochre. This is what I always use to prime my eyes. And just going in with a concealer brush from e.l.f. Picking some of that up and just putting it all over my lid. And then I'm just going to be setting it using my Derma Blend loose setting powder and an e.l.f. blending brush. I'm going to pat that on. This way my eyeshadows won't crease all day. And for today's eyeshadow look, I'm going to be keeping it pretty light. I'm going to be going in with my Naked Heat palette. It's a really pretty palette. And I'm just going to be using some of the more neutral colors. So I'm going to be taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills brush, and I'm just going to be going in first with the shade Sauced, which is kind of like this really neutral, like beige, peachy color almost. Just going to be taking that on my crease. Sure that it's nice and blended. And also this color would just be really pretty if you just did it all over the lid and just did one shadow. It'd be really pretty. But I'm just going to do a little more, still keeping it really light and neutral though. Next I'm going to be going in with the shade Low Blow, which is a really pretty light brown color. Starting that right beneath the first shade. Just to give it a little more definition. Just creating kind of an outer V shape with this shade. Just keep blending everything out really nicely, just so it doesn't look harsh or anything. And then I'm just going to take a blending brush just to blend it out even more. I want it to look really nice and soft. So that's all I'm going to do for the crease. Now I'm just going to put some on my lid. I'm going to do the shade Chaser, which is this really nice matte kind of pearl color, kind of pearl creamish color. And I'm just going to be applying that on my lid. And I'm just using the other side of that Anastasia brush. Actually, I'm going to take the shade Ounce on top of that, which is a little more white, just because I want a little more contrast. And then taking a blending brush again, just blending everything out. And then I'm just going to line my eyes with some liner just to help with the lash band that I'm going to be doing. So for that, I'm going to be taking my Modern Renaissance palette and grabbing the darkest brown, which is called Cypress Umber, and just taking an angled brush. Just going to be doing a line along my lash line. This way it's just like super soft, and I feel like it just goes really nicely with this look. And we want to keep the eyes really soft because our lip is going to be really bold. Now I'm just going to be curling my lashes and putting on some mascara. And for mascara today I'm going to be using my Grande Mascara. a little bit there. Not too much just because we're going to have the lashes, but this will just help blend our fake lashes to our actual lashes. And for lashes today, I will be using my Ardell Faux Mink lashes. I've used these pairs a lot, and I really love them, so I'm going to go ahead and get those ready. Okay, so I'm back and I have my lashes on. I decided not to film it because I was having difficulties and it literally took me forever to put them on. So I finally got them on, and we're just going to finish up the eyes and then do the lips. For inner corner highlight, I'm just going to take my Modern Renaissance palette and use the shade Vermeer. It's a beautiful shimmery shade for inner corner. And then I'm just going to be using those two other shades that I used, Soft and Low Glow. And then just going to be doing some mascara on my lower lashes. Okay, so for lips, I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty Stunna Lip Paint in Uncensored. I just got this this past week and I really wanted to use it in a video, so this is the star of the show. So excited. I actually tried it out as soon as I got it because I really wanted to try it out, and it's amazing, so I'm using that today. So excited. I really was hoping to get it for Valentine's Day, and it came on Valentine's Day, but it came in the evening at my in-laws' house, so I couldn't get it. But I'm really excited to use this today. So here we go. It is so pretty. The formulation is amazing. It's really easy to overline your lips with this. You don't even really need a liner for this, I feel like. It's just so stunning, and it makes your teeth look so white, which I love because it's that kind of blue toned red. It's beautiful. Alright, so this is the completed look. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I really love this lip color. I think it's stunning. And if you did enjoy it, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on future videos. Don't forget to follow me on social media. I'll have everything linked down below, including my blog, lifewithabbie.com. And I will have everything listed down below, the products I used, if you want to check anything out. And other than that, I believe that is everything. I hope you guys have a great week, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys!